Text transformers are a great way to add another layer of detail to your designs. To apply a text transformer, simply select the text box and then select the transformer you want to use. You can change this at any time by simply selecting another option. Edit the text in the text content block once the transformer has been applied. You can still adjust fonts, sizes, and more once the transformer is applied. Let's take a look at each of the text transformers and their settings. Circle applies the text around a circular path. You can invert the direction and increase the radius here. Arc and arc lower stretch the text in an arc shape while keeping one side of the text level. Adjust the bend amount here. Arch is similar to arc with subtle variations. Bulge adds a fisheye effect to the text, bulging it out from the center with an adjustable bend amount to control the intensity. Flag warps the text in a wave-like formation for a nice rippling effect. Fish does so too, but with a slightly fishy shape to it. Inflate adds a rounded inflation-like effect, creating some very interesting deformations in the letter forms. Rise adds a horizontal rise to the text field with a slight bend in the shape. Squeeze acts inverse of the inflate effect, squeezing the text inwards. Lastly, wave lower and wave upper apply a wave warping effect to the text, bending and stretching the letters into a wave with some interesting results. Make sure to like and follow for more quick tips. Studio, go beyond ordinary.